Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, California to require food allergen labels on menus by 2026. Break and number 148, starting in 2026, restaurant chains in California will be required to list major food allergens on their menus in a first-of-its-kind law. Break Governor Gavin Newsom signed the bill Monday, making California the first state to require allergen labeling for restaurants with 20 or more locations. Break under the new law, menus must identify items containing milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy or sesame and number 148, the most common allergens and number 148, when restaurants know or a number 156, reasonably should know and number 157, those ingredients are present. Break the bill was introduced by State Senator Caroline Menjivar, who lives with severe food allergies herself. She said the law will make dining safer for millions of Californians, especially children. Break and number 156, soon, the millions of Californians with food allergies, many of whom are young children, will be able to fully enjoy dining out without fear or apprehension at these qualifying restaurants, and number 157, Menjivar said. And number 156, in turn, these businesses will be able to offer allergen families a unique additional assurance that will drive customers to their establishments. And number 157. Break advocates say the new law will help people with allergies avoid life-threatening reactions. The non-profit Food Allergy Research and Education, FARE, said the legislation was an important step forward. Break the California Restaurant Association said it appreciates that the rule exempts small, independent eateries but warned it could still cause issues for many businesses. The group has also raised concerns about potential and number 156, predatory lawsuits and number 157, targeting restaurants that make mistakes, according to the Associated Press. Break and number 156, we continue to assess the impacts to those members of ours still subject to the proposed law and are working with them to determine if a change in position is warranted, and number 157, said Jot Condi, president and CEO of the association. Break for families like that of Adi Lau, a child advocate who testified in support of the bill. The new law brings peace of mind. Break and number 156, I have to avoid the foods I'm allergic to since it's like poison to my body and can harm me, and number 157, she said at a legislative hearing in April, the AP reported. Break sources the Associate /speak. Speak Ed Press, October 14, 2025. Break disclaimer, statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. Break and copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Break ad as a preferred source on Google. More news resources for MedWatch Drug Alerts Daily Med News for health professionals, new drug approvals, new drug applications, drug shortages, clinical trial results, generic drug approvals. Subscribe to our newsletter. Break whatever your topic of interest, subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.